Have to get up.
My God.
Well, get up. Go the other way. This way. Okay. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
You gonna put one on?
Huh?
You have to get up on your knees.
I can.
How do you get her up?
You have to help her. Bring your hand.
You just got, I can't even.
Take one knee up.
I can.
It's a girl, I think. It could be a boy. Though.
I can't.
Now you can roll it.
No.
You gotta take the strap off.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
The other way. You gotta take the strap off.
You get it.
The other one, the other one.
No.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Let's try one of these small ones.
Wow.